In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a Java project and run a Java program in VS Code from the scratch. I don't have anything set up in my system. I will start with VS Code installation and then I will set up VS Code and then gradually I'll create a Java project and run the Java program. So to start with, let me first download and install VS Code. In Google, you can type download VS Code, press enter. Let me click this link. Here I have multiple options: user installer, system installer, zip. I'm selecting this first one, x64. So the download has started. Let me go to the download folder, double click on it. I accept the agreement. Next, I'm going to change this path to a custom directory where I set up all my softwares. So I'm changing this path. So let me replace this part. Click next. Next again, check create a desktop icon. Next, click install. So this installation would take a while. Now you can see Visual Studio Code setup is complete, and if I click finish, it will launch. I will uncheck this, click on finish. So this is a Visual Studio Code icon. Let me click over here, maximize this window. Let's close this welcome screen. On the left hand side, I have different icons for Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug. Click on extensions. Type Java. I want to install this extension pack for Java. Click on install. It's getting installed now. It has 6 extension packs internally. This installation would take a while, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your internet speed and system speed. So let's wait for a while. Now VS Code is ready for Java development. Let's get started. Extension pack for Java is installed. So my VS Code is ready for Java development. Let's get started. So what we can do, we can type Ctrl+Shift+P to go into command palette directly, or we can click over here in view, command palette. Even we can type here under manage and this command palette will appear. Let me click over here. I'm going to create a Java project. Just type Java project. Here you can see one option, Java : create Java project. Click over here. If you want to create Maven project, that is also possible. I'm clicking on it. Now comes multiple options. I can create a Maven based Java project. I can create a Gradle based or Spring Boot project, but I'll select no build tools, a simple core Java project. Click over here. Here it asks me to select a particular location. I have already created a directory. I'm going to point over there. So this is the directory. I'm going to create a folder over here and provide a name. So this is the folder name. I'm selecting this, clicking on select the project location. Now it's asking for a project name. I'm going to enter same name. You can enter different name also. Click on enter. So on right hand side, there would be certain pop-ups which would be telling like it is importing and creating the Java project. So we need to wait for a while. It's asking me to trust all the files under the folder. I'm checking this box and clicking on yes, I trust the author. You need to wait for a while, maybe around 30 seconds or more based on your system speed. In the meantime, let me close this welcome screen and expand this source directory. It has created a sample file app.java. By the time VS Code is ready, we will see one icon appearing over here. So let's wait for a while. You can see on the right hand side, something is going on. This particular icon, it's rotating. So just wait. Now it's showing opening Java project. In the terminal, we can see there are multiple steps getting performed. Now you can see over here, the icon has changed, service ready, and this run and debug has appeared. This icon has also appeared. So my project is ready. I can run this class from here, like run Java, or I can click over here, run. So what you can see over here, the class has run successfully and it's printing the message hello world. I'll just show you to create a sample class. Right click, new file, and provide a name, maybe sample.java. Press enter. So it has created a sample class. I'm going to add one main method. Just type MA. So you can see there is control assist. It's giving me the option for main. Press enter. I want to print a statement over here. Let me just type S out. You can see print to standard out. Just type something. Now run again from here or maybe here. Run Java. Again, the code has run at the bottom. You can see over here. So one important thing over here, when it runs this particular piece of code, you can see this Java exe. This is basically my own JDK location. So in this tutorial from the scratch, what we learned, how to install VS Code, how to set up the Java extension pack, create a Java project, and run sample code. That's all for now. In case you have liked this lesson, I would request you to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you.